Hello and welcome to a tutorial of Bouncer. Bouncer is a email validation software that allows you to validate emails before reaching out to them. Now this is a crucial step because if you're reaching out to invalid emails, you're going to destroy your mailbox reputation, domain reputation, and basically all your cold email outreach efforts. So we're going to use Bouncer, this cutesy patootsy gorilla, to basically validate emails and make sure we're actually reaching our potential customers with this charismatic gorilla with a hat. So to validate emails with Bouncer, simply sign up, and once you're done signing up, you'll see this. So you can start off with verifying a single email to see how it works. For example, Simon@mail.ai, and verify. As you can see, it validated my email because it is valid. It signed it as deliverable. Or you can verify a list, which is what most of you will do, right? You want to validate emails in bulk. So for example, let's upload something and I'll show you how it works. So click add a new list and upload a CSV file. You of course have other options like these integrations or just simply copy and pasting leads, but usually most people use CSV because it's the easiest method. So let's click upload file, upload our lead list, and here we have 36 emails. Of course, you would be doing thousands and thousands at once. I'm only doing 36 because I have 90 credits to showcase this tutorial, right? And once you upload your leads, you can simply select what you want to do with this email validation. You can either just simply validate emails to see which ones are valid. You can either do some toxicity estimations as well, or even enrich your lead list. So we're just going to do with simple, plain old verification. So make sure this is checked and click start now. As you can see, it took literally seconds because we didn't upload many emails, but you get this list out of it. Now, you only want to send emails to deliverable inboxes. Otherwise, you're going to risk landing in spam, reaching out to invalid mailboxes, and that's no good, right? So we want to only export these leads and only reach out to these leads. So to do that, simply click results, select which leads you want to export. Again, we only want to export the ones that are safe to reach out to, and click download. Simple as that. Now you can just take these exported leads, plug it into a platform like Salesforge, and start doing cold email outreach all automatically. Now, one thing I should also mention is that you can also export the leads that say send with caution, and this way you can plug in these leads into a little software that I created that I talk about in this video, where you can for free validate leads that are unknown to these verification softwares, and this way you can reach out to more leads from the same lead list, right? To basically reaching out to leads that other people trash. So I suggest you do that as well, and if you found this useful, subscribe and check out Salesforge channel for more videos. See ya.